Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some amazing CVS deals that you could do from February the 5th to February the 11th. If you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any of my videos. As a friendly reminder, always check your email that is linked to your CVS account to see if you got any of these CRTs. This week again, I did get the 40% off one full price item CRT. I was hoping for an 8 off of 40 or a $5 off of 30 or 6 off of 30, but this is all I got. So let's see what we could work into with a deal. Alright, so our first deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They're on promotion 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra buck rewards. As you can see, we are going to get a $4 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to go ahead and put this deal together. So you're going to pick up 2 for $9. Use that $4 off digital coupon. You would pay $5 at the register, get a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $3 for both or $1.50 each one. Another great deal we could do at CVS this week is on the Gain laundry care products. So they're on promotion of $5.49, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra buck rewards. So this is included the Gain detergent, the Gain flings, the dryer sheets, and the fireworks. So it does say we are going to get digital coupons, but I already have 2 digital coupons on my account, so I'm hoping for an extra one. But if not, you could always go ahead to the P&G website and print out that extra coupon that you're going to need. So you want to go ahead and pick up 1 Gain Flings, 1 Gain Fabric Fireworks, or dryer sheets, whichever you prefer. And you can go ahead and pick up 1 liquid detergent. These are going to be all priced at $5.49 for a total of $16.47. You're going to go ahead and use those digital coupons, which are $1 off on the Gain detergent, the Gain fabric softener, and then if you need an extra one, you can always print it out on the P&G website, or hopefully we'll get another digital coupon so we could use it instead of printing one out. You would pay $13.47 at the registers, and again, you could roll over extra bucks if you like. You're gonna get a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost $8.47 for all of these products, or $2.82 each one. In my opinion, this is not a bad deal because you're getting a ton of good laundry products. Another great deal you could do on household products is on the Continental bath tissue and the Viva paper towels. They're priced at $10.49. When you spend 20, you're going to get a $5 extra buck reward. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 Continentals at $20.98. You're going to use 2 $1 coupons. They actually expire on Sunday, so this can only be like if you want to use the coupons, they expire on Sunday. So unfortunately, some CVS's do take expired coupons, but mine don't. So so yeah, you would pay $18.98 at the register. You will get a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost $13.98 for both, or just $6.99 each one. Another great deal we could do at CVS is on the CoverGirl cosmetics. They're on promotion, buy 3, get a $9 extra buck rewards. But as you can see, they do have some exclusions, and the brow and eye markers are one of them. So I know we always get those for free, but they're actually excluded from this deal. But I'm going to go ahead and put on a different scenario for you guys. So some CVS's, they have the other eye pencils in stock, which they're $4.99, but my store never has them, so I put it together this scenario, which is on the CoverGirl Ink It's by Perfect Point Plus Eyeliner. They're priced at $5.79 at my store, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 for $17.37. So we still have some digital coupons on our account, so you're gonna use one of those $2 digital coupons. If you do have paper coupons, it's great. You could use them, but if you don't have them, they're also on the coupons.com website for $2. You could print them out from there, or you could also submit your receipt to coupons.com if the offer is still there. You would pay $11.37 at the register, get back a $9 extra buck, making your final cost $2.37 for all three, or 79 cents each one. Another great deal we could do at CVS is on the Eucerin products or Aquifer personal care products. They're on promotion, spend 20, get a $10 extra buck reward. And we also have some printable coupons on the coupons.com website. So if you need the coupons, you can go ahead and print them out from there. I went ahead and put up this scenario. So I'm going to grab one Eucerin Daily Hydration Body Lotion priced at $11.79. And the Eucerin Skin Calming Daily Moisturizing Cream priced at $9.79 for a total of $21.58. You're going to use a $2 printable coupons from coupons.com, pay $17.58 at the register, or you can roll extra bucks if you like. Get a $10 extra buck rewards back, making your final cost $7.58 for both, or $3.79 each one. If you don't have access to the printable coupons, I'm hoping we do get some digital coupons, so let's stay tuned until Sunday and see which coupons we're going to get. So this is a really easy deal that we could do at CVS this week. So you can grab a Febreze spray or a small space, or it looks like a car or oil warmer priced at $3.94. You want to go ahead and use that $2.30 digital coupon. You would pay $1.64 at the register. All right, so another deal you could do at CVS, which is a great opportunity to go ahead and use that 40% off one single item, is on the Bona microfiber mop. I've been wanting to buy this because I have, wooden floors and I wanted just to see how it works. So they're on promotion, spend 20, get a $10 extra buck back. You're going to go ahead and pick up one of these Bona microfiber mops, multi-surface for floors, priced at $19.99. You're going to use that 40% off digital CRT. Pay $11.99, get a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $1.99. For this deal, it's best if you do not use your extra bucks because the 40% off is going to come off after your extra buck. So basically, you're kind of just, losing the value of your extra buck. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to keep you guys posted on more deals for Sunday, depending on what kind of manufacturer paper coupons we get and what kind of digital coupons we get. And again, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please let me know in the comments which deals are you excited to do this week, and which ones are your favorites. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye-bye.